Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Today we are going to take up another challenging question from radical equations. It is square root 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 over x square over square root 1 minus 1 over x plus 24 over x square equal to 2 over x. X cannot be equal to 0 and x belongs to real number. So let's get started by writing few points from the equation. Left hand side, if you will notice, numerator will be always positive for real solutions. Denominator will be always positive. Conclusion is right hand side should be always positive. So we can write x should be greater than 0 always. So for real solutions, we will accept only x positive values. Now I will consider squaring both sides. So let me write here power 2. Right side also power 2. Now one property of exponents we can write a over b whole power n. Then we can write a power n over b power n. So I can write here this square will be distributed in the numerator and denominator. So 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 over x square whole square divided by square root 1 minus 1 over x plus 24 over x square, and then we'll be writing whole square. Now we can cancel square root and square terms in LHS. Right hand side will be 4 over x square. Let us cancel power 2 and square root. Now what is left? Let me write here 1 minus 2 over x plus 1 over x square divided by 1 minus 1 over x plus 24 over x square equal to 4 over x square. Now let's multiply numerator and denominator in LHS by x square. X square, x square. Expand now. So I can write here x square times 1 x square minus x square times 2 over x. So it will be 2x plus 1 divided by x square minus x plus 24 equal to 4 over x square. Left hand side numerator is one identity. So I will be writing here x minus 1 whole square it is over x square minus x plus 24 equal to 4 over x square. Now you can see x square minus x plus 24. This cannot be 0 for real solutions. Discriminant is negative. So no constraint. Now we can cross multiply. So x square times x minus 1 whole square equal to 4 times x square minus x plus 24. Now left hand side, if you will see, it is one whole square, and right hand side, let me write here 4 times x square minus x plus 24, and left hand side I can write x times x minus 1 whole square. Okay, so we can write x square minus x whole square equal to, expand this, 4 times x square minus x and plus 4 times 24 is 96. Now left hand side x square minus x, right hand side x square minus x. So let us use substitution. I will write x square minus x equal to, suppose u. So This will become one quadratic equation, u square equal to 4u plus 96, or u square minus 4u minus 96 equal to 0. Factors of 96, we know it is 12 times 8. So I can split our middle term as minus 12u plus 8u. This is our negative 4u, and minus 96 equal to 0. Take u common, so u minus 12. Take 8 common, again we will get u minus 12 equal to 0. Conclusion is u minus 12 times u plus 8 equal to 0. So once u minus 12 will be 0, we will get u equal to 12, and when u plus 8 will be 0, we will get minus 8. So what was our substitution? It was x square minus x. Again we have to solve two quadratic equations. X square minus x is equal to 12. X square minus x is equal to minus 8. X square minus x is equal to 12, and x square minus x equal to negative 8. Take all the term to LHS. X square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. Second quadratic will be x square minus x plus 8 equal to 0. Now we will apply quadratic formula. So for first quadratic equation, this one, I will write x is equal to minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus minus under the root b square minus 1 square 1 minus 4ac. So minus 4 times minus 12, it will be plus 48 divided by 2a, so 2. So I can write 1 plus minus square root 49 over 2. So I can write 1 plus minus 7 over 2. So x will come out 8 over 2 or negative 6 over 2. So two values are there. X is equal to 4 and x is equal to negative 3. From here we will reject minus 3 because x cannot be negative. So our ultimate solution will be x is equal to 4 from this quadratic equation. Now let us consider the second quadratic. Let's check only discriminant. So I will write discriminant delta or d equal to b square minus 4ac. So I will write minus 1 square minus 4 times a is 1, c is 8, which will be 1 minus 32. Because of discriminant is negative 31, negative, it will generate complex solutions. So we will write from this quadratic, we won't get any real solution. So we will reject this solution as we are looking for real one only. So which solution is accepted so far? It is x is equal to 4 only. Let us check. So I will write here check x equal to 4. I will write LHS first. So LHS is square root 1 minus 2 over 4 plus 1 over 16 over square root 1 minus 1 over 4 plus 24 over 16. And if I will check RHS also, then it is 2 over x. So I will write 2 over 4. That means our solution will come out 1 by 2 from LHS also. Let's simplify numerator and denominator. So I will make our denominator common. So I will be writing here 16 by 16. Here I will be writing 8 by 16. Here I will be writing 1 by 16. This is numerator, common denominator 16 inside the square root. Here I will be writing square root 16 by 16. Then I will be writing 4 over 16. Then it is already denominator 16. Now I can write this will be equal to square root 16 minus 8 plus 1 divided by square root 16 minus 4 plus 24. After cancelling the denominators square root. Now I will write the summation of numerator. It is square root 16 minus 8 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Divided by square root 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 plus 24 is 36. Square root 9 is 3. Square root 36 is 6. So it is coming out RHS half value. It is matching the same. So x is equal to 4 is our ultimate and final answer. I hope this video will be somewhere helpful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe friends. Bye bye till next video. Good luck and take care of yourself. Bye bye.